Charity, are you ready to go?
Yes.
You look amazing. We are getting ready to do our truffle making extravaganza for the holiday season. It's a tradition that we do every year. We make tons and tons of truffles and we give them out to everyone we know, and it's a fun gift to give. So we are headed out to buy chocolate, and I have a huge list of chocolate. I mean, it's pounds and pounds and pounds. And then of course we have to get the right sprinkles to go with each flavor. There's some flavorings that I need to get. I do have a few things of sprinkles and a few flavorings in my baking stash already, but I definitely don't have enough to make as many truffles as we need to. I ordered a couple of the extracts that I needed that I knew I wouldn't be able to find at the store, and those are supposed to be delivered tomorrow, so as long as they're delivered on time, we should be good. I'm hoping to get started on truffle making this weekend, and it's usually a several day process before we get everything made. I think we're gonna hit up Costco first, and I can get the semi-sweet chocolate chips there in the big 4.5 pound bags. So I think that's the cheapest place to get those. And then I also need milk chocolate chips and white chocolate chips. And so I am gonna get those at Winco. They usually have the best price this time of year on the brand that I like. And then of course for truffle making, you need cream. And then we are gonna go to New Seasons to get the sprinkles. And as long as we can find all the sprinkles that we need there, that'll be it. But if we are not able to find all the different kinds of sprinkles we need, we may run by Michael's to see if they have some that will work. So as far as our family's gift giving traditions, we don't do a huge amount of gift exchanges. We don't, even with family, we don't do a lot. We like to keep it pretty simple when it comes to gift giving. And so this truffle making is probably the biggest gift expense of the year. Besides doing the truffles for everybody, we like to just find people that we know around us that are in need, whether it's a financial need or like help with, my husband's a contractor, and so help with different house maintenance projects, different things like that. Alexa just interrupted me. Normally, if this were a regular school day, the kids would be starting school right now, but Talia and Autumn are off with some friends, cutting down a Christmas tree, and then we're doing our big truffle extravaganza shopping, so we're not doing a regular school day. Anyways, so financial help to people that we know in need, or help with different projects, or making meals, that kind of thing. That's kind of the things we like to do to celebrate the holiday season. So what I spend on chocolate today is gonna be a major part of our holiday gift expenses for the entire year. Hey, you took off your hat, man. You gotta keep your head warm in this cold weather. Oh my goodness, that stinker. So the main things that we need here are just chocolate chips, semi-sweet, and cream. You smiling for the camera? Thank you. It's very nice. You ready for this, Cherry?
Yes.
You ready for this, Renee?
Yeah.
Yeah. The Instant Pots are still on sale. What?
That orange stuff fish.
Yeah. Should I make some fish in my Instant Pot?
Yeah, I like it.
You like fish?
Yes, I like it.
Okay. Some holiday baking.
Don't forget
That's
to get
nice.
food.
Don't need all those things though. So these are the semi-sweet chocolate chips, and they come in a 4.5 pound bag. They changed their packaging since the last time I bought them. We're gonna get 6 of these giant bags of chocolate chips. Those are chocolate.
1, 2, 3.
All right. We should have just gotten a box. A whole box of them. 6.
Can I do the list?
Yeah, you want to check off this 25 pounds of semi-sweet at the top, and then 1 gallon of heavy cream. All right, I think this is going to be the quickest trip to Costco ever. I think we got everything we needed. All right, thank you. All right, if you bring it over.
Yeah, Mom.
Oh, thanks, Renee.
Chocolate chip.
Well, I know that. Can you do it? Go ahead. This way. Is that the last one? Okay. 6 bags of the chocolate chips and 2 of the half gallons of whipping cream. $68.52. That's a good start. This girl and her fashion sense. My goodness. Alright, so now for Winco, we need to get milk chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, and those are for the lemon truffles. And then we need to get some extracts. Let's see how much we can get here. Right inside the door. I got them all here. Alright girls, so we need the milk chocolate and we need the white chocolate. How about we take a box and then we can count? Because I think we're gonna, yeah, that's 4, 8, 12. That's 12. Since everyone loves the lemon so much, we might make extra. So if we do 15 plus another double batch would be 25. Okay, I think we need 15 of these.
Okay, that's 15?
No, this is, let's see, it's 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we need 4 more. Can you grab 4 more? I'll grab them up here. Here, I'll give them to you. You can put them in the cart.
4, I need 4, 4, 4. 2. 3, 4.
What do you see, man? Yeah, everything looks so tasty. All right, they got our extracts sitting here. We need lemon, and we need rum. We need 2 of those. You want to put those in the cart?
Yes.
Okay.
Lemon and rum.
Pop them in the cart.
This is lemon.
We're going to do this big one of lemon. It's 2 ounces. I think we'll get 2 of those. Let's look down here and see if there's any more, because we still needed, what was the other one we needed? And I forgot too. I'll have to look. What? I don't either. Oh, orange. Orange. We got to get orange. All right, there's orange. Levi, no, you can't eat that. You want to hold this? But you can't eat it. I'm sorry. Levi's dying of starvation like usual, so I think we'll pick out a Lara bar. Did you want a Lara bar, Renee?
Yes.
Okay.
Want a Cliff Bar.
Okay, which Cliff Bar do you like? Are you so happy? Are you so happy now, man? Oh, you were so hungry you didn't think you were going to survive. Boy can't go an hour without eating. All right, we got 2 boxes of the white chocolate chips, so that's 24 of those all together. 1 12-pack box of the milk chocolate chips, and then we got 3 more milk chocolate bags in here to make 15. We got our orange extract, our lemon extract, and our rum extract. I think that was all. And then Renee and Levi picked a bar out to nibble on because they were already starving. Uh-oh, I ripped my receipt. Total spent here at Winco, $129.28. Levi's so happy back there now that he got some food in his tummy. And by the time we get over to New Seasons, he's going to be ready for a free banana that they always give him. Anyways, we got all of our chocolate chips and extracts we need so far. We have peppermint at home, so I'm going to use just the peppermint we have at home. This is chocolate vermicelli. I don't know if that's how you say it. Sprinkles. There's some really cute little chocolate sprinkles that we like. We need to get some that are red and green, some that are rainbow. We're doing a caramel sea salt truffle this year, so I wanted to get some flake salt to top those. So we're going to also do some chocolate hazelnut truffles, and I don't know what kind of sprinkles I want to use for those yet. So we're going to look at the options and pick out something for chocolate hazelnut, and then we need to get some of the yellow sugar sprinkles for the lemon truffles. And so we are headed over to New Seasons, which hopefully will be our last stop. Sometimes big men get real tired. He got his food in his tummy and then he zonked out. We're at New Seasons. You want to go pick some sprinkles? Oh man, he's really zonked. Did you guys want to get a free fruit? Looks like there's some oranges. You want an orange? Yeah? Okay. Getting enough to keep you alive here? This boy eats every waking moment. Oh, that's not very many. Usually they have... I know, but you know, usually they have all the Christmas ones somewhere, and I just don't see all of them. I don't even see the rainbow little balls that we wanted. I wonder if we're going to have to go somewhere else.
We can try those pink ones.
Yeah, I don't think we have anything that fits those pink ones very well. Let's look around and see if they have a Christmas display somewhere. Well, these are like gifts and stuff. Some cute stuff. Oh, look at that cute cutting board.
What? Cutting board.
There's some nice salts. Those look cool.
How is that?
Sriracha salt, smoked cheddar salt. What in the world?
How is this a cool cutting board?
Well, I think it's cool. Do you know what shape that is?
No.
What shape is that?
I don't know.
I think you know that.
I don't know.
That's Oregon.
Oh.
That's where we live.
Oh.
Looks like they're getting this ready for baking stuff.
Yeah.
So maybe it's just not out yet. We might need to try somewhere else. All right, this is a bigger new season, so maybe we'll have better luck here. There's a cart waiting for us. Look at all those beautiful wreaths and garlands. Aren't those gorgeous? Did you get another banana? All right, let's see. There's these sprinkles, but that's not quite what we're looking for. And, oh, they got a few. They got our rainbow balls that we need for the orange flavor. Get a couple of those. They don't have the chocolate ones that we really like. Those ones are my favorite. I don't think we're gonna do purple this year. We could save those for your birthday sometime. Maybe we could just do these for the instead of the other ones. They're similar. I think I'm gonna get 2 of those. I like these, but we've already got the rainbow balls. But maybe we could do these for the hazelnut. Do you think these would be pretty for the hazelnut?
Yeah.
All right, and they might have another display of these sprinkles somewhere, so we'll keep looking and we can come back if we need to. All right, since this has taken longer than we expected, we decided to get some lunch at New Seasons. So we found a few sprinkles that don't have artificial dyes. These are gonna be for the hazelnut flavor. Levi's ready to get home. We got a couple of the rainbow ones. Those are for the orange flavor. And then we got a couple of the chocolate ones. These aren't as cute as the chocolate ones that I usually get, but they will work just fine. They didn't have any of the Christmas flavors, and I asked about it, and he just said that they are not going to get any this year for whatever reason. So he says everything that they had there is all that they're going to get for the holidays, because I was thinking maybe they just hadn't come in, but apparently they don't have them this year, so I'm not sure what's going on with that, if it's the company not doing as well or whatever. So we try to avoid artificial dyes as much as possible, but it's not a deal breaker. So since I can't find the ones I wanted, we are going to just run to Michael's and we'll get a couple more kinds. We still need the yellow sugar. They didn't have any of that here at New Seasons. Like the yellow sugar sprinkles for the lemon truffles. And then we also just need some kind of a red and green, like red and green balls or something that's red and green for the mint truffles. So this is taking a lot longer than I anticipated. Usually I just am able to run right into New Seasons and they have all the different holiday sprinkles and it all works out fine, but we're just, you know, making a day out of it, I guess. And so last stop, hopefully, will be Michael's. All right, I just realized that I forgot to get flaked salt at New Seasons, but we're not gonna go back. We're just gonna, I'm gonna go out for a grocery haul here pretty soon, so we'll just wait and get it then. It's when we get our groceries. Where we haul all of our groceries home. Look at these sprinkles, girls. These are crazy.
And they're nutcracker thing.
Oh yeah, nutcracker molds. But look at these sprinkles. They're like crazy. It's like confetti or something. They got all different kinds here. Here's some yellow sugar for the lemon. All right, so we got yellow. Now we need to go to the holiday ones. We just want a red and green mix like this one. We could go ahead and get a giant one, I guess, since we're gonna use it, or at least some of it.
Do this.
Yeah, they have these ones in little tiny too. These are cute. No, we're not doing gold, and we're not doing winter. We don't really have anything that would go with winter.
They look Christmassy.
They do look Christmassy.
With what?
Confetti. Those are cute. We could try those if you want to do that for the mint. You want to do those for the mint?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I liked these. I think they're pretty cute, but what would we use them for? All right, I think we did it. We got some red and green and some yellow, so we got all the colors that we needed. Just need the flake salt, which we'll grab another day. It's not urgent. And here is the chocolate haul. The only things I'm waiting on is the 2 extracts that are coming in the mail, hopefully delivered tomorrow. And then I need to grab that flaked salt for the caramel, sea salt caramel truffles. So we got 6 bags, 6 4.5 pound bags of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. We got 24 bags. They're, what, 12 ounces each? Yeah, 12 ounces each of the white chocolate chips, and those are all for the lemon truffles, which are a big favorite. So I'm making extra of those this year. Then milk chocolate chips. The truffles, the chocolate ones, are made with a mixture of the milk chocolate and the semi-sweet, and then they're dipped in the semi-sweet, which is why I have so much of the semi-sweet. And of course, the gallon of cream that I threw in the fridge as soon as we got home. And then for the extracts, I have my lemon, orange, rum, the hazelnut, and the caramel extract should be delivered tomorrow. And then I already had some peppermint, so those are going to be for the peppermint truffles. So those are the 6 flavors we're doing: rum, orange, lemon, peppermint, salted caramel, and hazelnut this year. We try to kind of change it up and do a few new flavors each year, and then also some of the favorites, like lemon, of course. And then for the sprinkles, we got these rainbow sprinkles for the hazelnut, kind of like a Nutella flavor with rainbow sprinkles. These rainbow balls are going to be for the orange truffles. The orange truffles, I also add in some orange zest, which makes them really amazing. Then we got the yellow sugar for the lemon truffles, and I already had one of the other brand of the yellow sugar, so now we have enough of those. And then for the peppermint, I have this red and green and white mix that Renee picked out. And then last is for the rum, we have the chocolate ones. These are the ones I was looking for that I really like. I just had a few left. They're just so tiny and fine and cute. I thought they looked so pretty on the truffles, but sadly we could not get those this year. I probably could get them through Amazon, but they're really expensive through Amazon since I don't want to buy like a 12-pack or something. So anyways, we'll make do with these bigger sized ones. So I totaled up everything, and everything that we spent on stuff for making truffles came out to $227.97. Whew, that was a big one. Thanks for joining us on our massive chocolate shopping trip. Now the real work begins of trying to turn all of this into delicious holiday truffles, and I will be taking some footage of that and getting a truffle video out this year again. I'll put here at the end our truffle video from last year, as well as our truffle tutorial that we did 2 years ago, so you can find the recipe and check that out if you're interested. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and we will see you again in the next video.
Bye.